Hello, my name is Alana and I live in my 2006 Honda Accord. One of my most asked questions is what about car maintenance? So in this vlog, I'm going to show you everything that I'm doing this week to take care of my car because yeah, she's in a little rough condition. The first thing I needed to do was have my grandma forward my car registration to my house sit here so I can drive legally again. So let's put that on first. Okay. This one little sticker cost me how much money? Alrighty, today is the morning of my car appointment. So I am driving my car to some random mechanic that I was recommended by a friend and leaving my car all day. Luckily, I'm currently at a house sit, so the owner of the house sit has not left yet, so she's gonna come pick me up after I drop my car off, which is just, I love her so much. Is this my turn? I don't know. Yes. Cool. Oof. Yikes. I hate driving. Okay, anyways, I am recording this video this morning to say that my headliner is officially kaput. I've ordered something to help fix it, so that will also be in this vlog, but I can't see out my rearview mirror because my headliner is sagging so much, so that's fine. Okay, car is dropped off. Estimate is about $2,000, so we'll see. Hopefully that is all. Anyways, there's a Boulder camper van store right around the corner from where I dropped my car off, so I'm just wandering, waiting for my host at my house sit to pick me up, so I figured I would come just, you know, creep on these vans. Damn. Everyone always asks, like, why do you live in your car? Why don't you live in a van? And I'm like, well, one, this is the car that I've had for 3 years, so I'm making it work. But also, walking past those vans, I'm like, I don't think I could drive one of those. They're massive, especially coming from my small Honda Accord. I love driving such a tiny car. The one thing I don't like about driving a tiny car, however, is that I can't go off-roading. So that's probably the only reason I would upgrade vehicles. But anyways, they're pulling her into the garage now. Have a good day at the spa, Rhonda. Don't give me as much anxiety when you come back. Okay, I picked up my car from the mechanic yesterday morning. They fixed everything that I told them to fix, but they also found more things that they were like, hey, by the end of the year, you'll probably need new tires and a bunch of other things. I'm like, okay, cool. But anyways, I have the car back and now it is time to start doing the little cosmetic maintenance things that I've been avoiding. So the first thing that I need to do is fix my headliner, as you saw earlier. Hey, no chasing the cat, get out of there, come on, no. Okay, where was I? Okay, anyways. I should grab that kit. Anyways, so as you saw earlier in the video, my car headliner has gone kaput, completely sagging off. So luckily I had ordered this from Amazon a few days ago. I really don't want to do this, but I have to do this. So first I have a little measuring tape and push pins so that I can space out the things. And then I have these screws with little buttons to go on top to make it look more professional. But I can't put these in until I measure it out and make sure that they're all spaced evenly so that it actually almost kind of looks good. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do this morning. I don't want to do it. I want help. Also, the house sit that I'm currently doing has 7 animals, which they're all super sweet, but man, keeping tabs on 4 dogs and 3 cats is a lot of work. So actually, I'm gonna escape the house for a little bit and go out to my car.
Hi, Odin. Hi, Joe. Hi, Fitz. Hi, Puck. You wanna come back out? There you go. Hi, Ollie. Do you want outside? Okay. Go on. You good? Okay.
Also, can we just take a second to appreciate the fact that they replaced my front struts, but not my back struts, so now I look like I drive a lowrider. Okay, so in case you didn't see this in the earlier part of the video, this is the first part that started to go. And I probably should have done something about this part sooner. But now the entire headliner is sagging so bad that I can't see out the rear view mirror. So that is top priority, and then we'll just put all of the pins in to make it look nice and even and keep it all up. I don't know if the pins are necessarily going to work right here, but I'll try to put one right there. I feel like the screws are just going into, like, I don't know what that is. Piece of plastic? I have no idea. Okay, let's see if I can use my driving car mount as a tripod. Can you see that? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. I think that'll work. Cool. Ugh. Where do I even begin? I think that's the part that stresses me out, is like it's just so much. I don't even know where to start. I guess I could start by taking, I don't know, man. Maybe it's better to start from the front where it's not actually sagging and space it out that way. Because this isn't gonna work. We'll come back to that. Let's go to the front. So I'm thinking maybe it would be easier to start with a line of pins this way and then space them out going backwards. Because that ain't gonna work. Does that? Yeah, that should work. Is this why people usually hire professionals and shit? Wow, this is gonna be a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. I got the first row all spaced out, measured, even. Now I get to do that all the way to the back. I'm gonna just show you guys when I'm done because this is gonna take me forever. Okay, that took me 20 minutes to get them all measured and squared out, but I think it looks good. Now it's time to attempt putting the screws and the caps on. I'm scared. Oh shit, that actually looks really good. Now I just have like 60 more to go. All right, one row took me 20 minutes, but it looks really good. And I know someone's bound to comment, you could do it better if you did it like this. I don't care. I just want it to stop sagging. So that's my only goal. I guess I could show you what I'm doing. So we have these little tiny screws and then these little thingies. My technical knowledge is really showing here. Then they sent me this little tiny screwdriver. So then I just take this pin out and put that where it was and screw it in. Oh, come on. And you gotta get it all the way up in there. Cool. Then you take this little button guy and snap it on. That's not on there, right? Damn it, this happened with this one too. All the way in there, please. I'm scared I'm gonna put like a hole through my roof, and I know that's not like logical, but it's a fear in my mind. There. Next. This isn't hard, it's just very tedious. Okay, when I started this project, I did not think that it would take me an hour and a half, but as you can see, the headliner is nicely pinned up. There's a few that still won't like keep the button on. I think the reason is because when I go to push the button on, it like, yeah, you see that? It's like not fully in there. But I do not care, and my arms hurt. That was an arm workout, so I still have more car maintenance to do, but I think I'm done for the moment. Hello, future Alana here. I want to add to this video because I just got back from my last camping trip and I am at my next house sit. And I want to redo the window covering for my rear window. It was making me angry. So I went to Walmart today. I was looking in the blackout curtain section because I do still want it to be like thick. I don't just want a little thin piece of fabric. And it turned out they had a whole clearance section with curtains that had been returned. And so instead of paying $10, I found this one that had been returned and was now marked down to like $6. So it's not black, it's like a navy blue. Looks like denim, which wouldn't be my first choice, but this was the cheapest one that they had and I'm just gonna cut it up, so let's get into it. Why I didn't bring my tripod out here, I don't know. But also, if you hear random screaming, that's because there is a like roller coaster amusement park down the street. First time I heard it, I was so freaked out. There we go. I love how they just duct taped that back together. Need to not forget that. Okay. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, it is white on one side. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it like this. You know, because it didn't have a package, there was no size. I just assumed it would be big. Let's see. I can always take it in and wash it. This is hard to do by yourself. That's how I also felt with the headliner replacement. I was like, oh god. I could use another set of hands. And let's see. I need it to be at least 37 or 38 inches. Nice. Oh, nice. I can just cut along that seam and it'll be nice. Okay. I need to cut the seam first before I forget which seam it is. I was kind of afraid these scissors wouldn't cut fabric. Also, I'm being very careful to not scratch the paint of my car. Do not worry. Okay, so it was actually about the perfect size because this is all we had to cut off. Oh, too small. Let's take this inside the car. I'll show you my plan. Oh god. And I wonder why my back hurts. I'm always like hunched over into this car. Okay. So, currently I just have this Reflectix thing, which honestly I could still keep in there just to like protect it, because look at how sun faded this is compared to, yeah, I'm gonna keep that in there actually. Oh, these Velcro things drive me crazy. Okay. So I guess that'll stay like that, but what I want to do is cut little slits in the fabric so that I can hang it here and over there. And I didn't use the sticky part of the command strip. I just shoved this up in between the headliner and the car. So it's pretty snug in there, and I'm hoping that this will be much easier because with this I have to shove, 2 of these blankets are just so that I can prop that up. And I'm sick and tired of that, so I want to fix it, and then once I'm in Arizona again, sometime in the next 2 months, I will drop off the blankets. Oh yeah, that worked. There's a little slit. And then, can you see this? I'll show it to you later. I think I cut the holes too big, but so I'll show it to you from the inside. These holes are a little bit bigger than I would have intended, but honestly, I think it's pretty fine. It's better than my other setup. Oh yeah, that looks way better from the outside than the other one did though, because like this one's so obvious and you could see the shirts and stuff stuffed in.
But this, the glare is making it different. Like, you can kind of see the hook, but you can't see into the car. I like this. I think this is a win. Obviously, I will take it down while I'm driving. Meow. Obviously, I will take it down while I'm driving, but it's really nice to just have to hook those 3 things instead of having to shove a bunch of blankets and stuff up to make sure all the gaps are full. So yeah. Okay, another thing that I had wanted to do was to patch this up. I actually had this patched up earlier this year and it's chipping again. So I'm not gonna do it in this vlog because I just don't know what to do. Like, I already put new paint and a new top coat and everything on, and then it just did it again. So if anybody has any recommendations, leave them in the comments. I'll probably handle this in my next car care vlog. I also was wanting to polish the entire car and put something on the windows to make the water like roll down instead of getting stuck while it's raining. But I didn't get around to that either, and now I'm leaving this house sit today, so I will make another car maintenance vlog at my next house sit. That's kind of the nice thing about doing house sitting jobs, is it gives me a break to like do things on my car, but at the same time I don't usually have enough time to do all of the things, especially because my car was in the shop for a few days. So yeah. Hi, Mr. Fitz. I also love house sitting because then I just get to cuddle dogs instead of being stressed in traffic. Yes I do. But anyways, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here. I feel like fixing the headliner of my car was a big improvement, and taking it to the mechanic was a necessary thing to do, so we did some of the car maintenance that I wanted to do in this vlog, but there will definitely be a part 2. You want to say goodbye, Joe? Oh, Fitz. Anyways, I'll also film a vlog from this house sit. I'm coming back to this same house next month, so I'll film a vlog of this house later. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to show me with your thumbs, and be sure to subscribe down below so that you don't miss the next adventures. Bye, guys.